In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign access to tickets based on team membership in Hubspot. To get started, sign into your Hubspot account and look to the top navigation bar. Click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where Hubspot keeps the tools for managing users, teams, and permissions. Once you are in settings, move to the left sidebar and find users and teams. Click into that section. This area is important because ticket access based on team membership only works properly when your teams are set up and your users are assigned to the right teams. First, open the Teams tab. Take a moment to confirm that the teams you need already exist. The goal here is to make sure your team structure matches how you want ticket visibility to work. If the teams are already created, you can move on. Next, switch over to the Users tab. From here, you can either select an existing user that you want to configure, or you can click Create User if you are adding someone new. Choose the user you want to manage, and then find the Access tab for that user. This is where you control which parts of Hubspot they can use and what they are allowed to do. Inside the Access tab, locate the Service section and expand it. You are looking for ticket permissions specifically, since tickets live under Service Tools in Hubspot. Find Tickets and toggle it to On. This enables ticket access for the user. Now you will set the permission levels. Click the drop-down menus for View, Edit, and Delete. For each of these three options, select Team Only. Setting all three to Team Only helps ensure that the user can only view, make changes to, and remove tickets that belong to their team, instead of having access across the entire portal. When you are finished, click Save. Saving applies the new permissions immediately, so it is a good idea to double-check that the user is assigned to the correct team in the Users and Teams area to match the access you intended. That covers everything you need to know.